Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can change your default currency on Tonkeeper. So let's get started. In order to change your default currency into a particular currency, you can just open your Tonkeeper wallet and your home page would be displayed before you. And then you have to click on the settings gear icon at the top right. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see this option currency, that is USD right now. So you can just click on that and you can select from here. You can either select ton or Japanese yen, euro, United States dollar, Russian ruble, United Arab Emirates dirham, Kazakhstani tenge, Ukrainian hryvnia, Great Britain pound, Swiss franc, China yuan, South Korean won, Indonesian rupiah, Indian rupee. So you can just select any of it. For example, if you wish to change your default currency into euro, you can just click on euro and your currency would be changed. But however, I just want it to be USD, so I'm just going to click on USD and it will be USD. So that's basically how you can convert or change your currency on Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.